Today I'm making a wood ear mushroom and cucumber salad. First, you'll need to soak the dried wood ear mushrooms. For this recipe, you'll need 30 grams of dried wood ear mushrooms. I've soaked them in hot water and left them for about half an hour. Once the mushrooms have softened, drain them well. You can also cut them into smaller pieces if needed. Now finely slice 2 small onions or 1 large onion. Also thinly slice 1 whole cucumber into half moons. Now for the dressing, add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and the same amount of cider vinegar into a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of agave syrup, 1 tablespoon of yuzu jam and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds and mix everything together. In a large mixing bowl, add the soaked wood ear mushrooms, sliced onions and cucumber. Pour over the dressing and toss everything gently. Look at that, doesn't it look amazing? Now, it's ready to serve. You can find dried wood ear mushrooms at most Asian supermarkets. They're high in fibre, so very healthy too. Thanks for watching and see you next time.